Welcome to our channel. If you've accidentally deleted important photos from your Android phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to recover them quickly before they're permanently erased. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device as soon as you realize photos have been deleted. Step 2. Tap on the library icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access additional options. Step 3. From the library menu, select Trash or Bin. Deleted photos are stored here temporarily for 60 days. Step 4. Browse through the deleted photos in the Trash folder and tap to select the photos you want to recover. Step 5. After selecting photos, tap the Restore button at the bottom of the screen to return them to your main photo library. Step 6. If you don't use Google Photos, open your device's default Gallery or Photos app. Step 7. Look for a recently deleted Trash or Recycle bin folder within the Gallery app. Different manufacturers use different names. Step 8. Select the photos you want to recover from this folder and tap Restore or Recover. If photos were deleted more than 60 days ago, they may be permanently removed and require data recovery software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.